your YouTube Shorts getting 0 views? Here's exactly why and how to fix it fast. Rule number 1. Hook your viewer in the first 1 to 2 seconds. If your start is boring, people scroll instantly. If it sparks curiosity, they stay. Keep your video fast. No slow moments, no filler. Every second matters. Retention is everything. The longer people watch, the more YouTube pushes your video. Make your shorts loop smoothly so viewers watch it again without even realizing. Use big, clear captions so your message is easy to follow, even without sound. Follow trends. Don't guess what works. Use what's already working. Use only 3 to 5 smart hashtags. More is not better. Post consistently. One video won't go viral, but daily uploads will. Engage with your audience. Likes, comments, and shares boost your reach. Small improvements in every video lead to massive results over time, because one video can change everything. Start now.